Hi, I'm Andy Seeley. I'm CEO of Creatively Disruptive, and we're going to talk about why your preschool classes aren't quite filling the way they used to and how we're going to fix it. Gymnastics gyms with preschool age programs, it does feel like those classes just aren't filling like they used to. And no matter what you try, it just doesn't seem to work, right? Your coaches are fantastic, your classes are fun, and parents love what you offer. Yet, new enrollments for ages 1 to 6 feel harder than ever to get in. You've tried posting on social media, community events, and even boosting posts, but nothing's quite working like it used to. Here's the problem. The system is rapidly changing, and you're using the same tactics that you used to back in the day, but those just aren't working anymore. The best way to reach parents has changed, and you're not just competing with other gymnastics clubs anymore. You're competing with every single kids activity center in your area. Swim, dance, ninja, soccer, music, basketball, baseball, t-ball. Everybody is competing for the same parents' attention. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your preschool programs aren't filling and the 3-step system that fixes it for you. 10 years ago, running a solid gymnastics program meant you were likely competing with just a couple of other gyms in your area. Parents found you through word of mouth, drove by your location, or maybe did a quick Google search without a sea of ads and competitors vying for their attention. It was pretty straightforward, but that world, it's gone. Today, parents have endless options at their fingertips. Ads are everywhere, and if you're not showing up consistently online, you're invisible. Growing your gymnastics program now takes a whole new approach. I had a gym owner tell me recently, we used to compete with 2 other gyms in town. Now parents are choosing between us, 3 dance schools, 2 swim schools, and a ninja gym. That's the reality today. The pandemic changed everything. Parents got comfortable keeping their kids at home, and now they're much more intentional about where they enroll them. They're not just signing their kids up for a sport anymore. They're wanting programs that actually do something for their child. Build confidence, improve coordination, maybe build some strength, help them make friends, learn teamwork, and yes, have some fun along the way. And it's not just anecdotal. According to the US Census Bureau, preschool enrollment dropped 9.3 percentage points between 2019 and 2021. That means over half of the preschool age kids aren't enrolled in any program right now. Fewer enrolled kids means fewer parents are actively searching, and that makes standing out even harder. The truth is, parents today don't just stumble across your gym, they're much more intentional, and it takes you getting in front of them online in their social feeds and through every channel that they use to drive enrollments. You can't rely on them finding you. You have to show up first and show up consistently. And here's where most gym owners get it wrong. They think posting a few times a week on social media or boosting a post here or there is enough. That might have worked back when parents made quick decisions. When they saw a fun post, they'd think, oh, that looks great, and they'd sign up with you. Not anymore. Today, parents need to trust you before they even reach out, and they want to see that you're legitimate, that other parents have had great experiences, and that their child will be safe, happy, and thriving in your program. What you need is a complete system that meets parents where they actually are in their decision-making. You need to be visible everywhere. They spend time online, not just when they're actively searching. You need your website, reviews, and social proof to do the heavy lifting and convert them when they check you out. And you need follow-up systems that stay in touch while they're still in that decision-making process. That's exactly what the 3-part solution I'm about to show you is designed to do. Before that, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done that already. We've got a lot more information that's going to be really helpful to you. So hit the like, subscribe, and click the bell as well if that shakes your bell. So, number 1, communicate effectively with your community. Here's the thing, posting a few times a week on Facebook, sharing a story on Instagram, or even boosting a post isn't going to cut it anymore. Most parents in your area aren't seeing those posts. They haven't found you yet. They're not on your email list. And honestly, they might not even know that your gym exists. A lot of them haven't started actively looking for programs either, but that doesn't mean that they won't. You can't just rely on parents hearing about you from word of mouth, past events, or the great experiences your current students have had at your gym. That alone won't get your enrollments that you're looking for. This is where smart Facebook and Google ads come in. They let you get your gym in front of parents in your area, even if they have not heard of you. You're showing up where they are already spending a lot of their time online and getting them to start thinking about your program before your competitors have even had a chance. Step 2, give parents options when they communicate. When you're reaching out to your community, remember every parent is different. Some like filling out a form online, others want to give you a call, some want to send you an email, or some even want to just drop in, by, and talk to someone in person and check out your location. You need to give them all the options. It's not enough to just run an ad and post on social media. Think about the whole process from the parent's perspective. The first time they hear about your gym to when they take action and reach out. Every step should make it easy for them to take the next step, whether it's signing up for a trial class, registering online, or booking a quick call with you. Parents feel more confident when they can choose the option that works best for them. Giving them flexibility doesn't just make it easier, it also builds trust and makes them more likely to actually enroll with your program. And here's the part most gyms miss. When a parent does reach out, timing is everything. Responding within the first 5 minutes when their interest is at a peak can improve your conversions by up to 391%. That's huge, 391%. Systems like Kai, our customer AI, make it easy. Automatically responding to leads instantly, following up across SMS, Messenger, and WhatsApp, so no parent falls through the cracks and is not reached out to. And reaching out to them when they want to speak to us. Number 3, make your website and reviews work for you. Once parents find your gym, your website and reviews have to do the heavy lifting. Think of your website as a 24/7 salesperson. It's the first impression parents get, and it can make or break their decision. It should instantly answer the questions every parent has. What ages do you serve? What makes your programs unique? What do other parents think of you? How do I sign up? A clean, modern, and mobile-friendly website doesn't just look nice, it converts interested parents into paying customers time and time again. And don't forget your reviews. Parents rely on social proof more than ever before. They want to see real, recent experiences from other families that show your gym is a safe, fun, and effective place to go. Strong Google and Facebook reviews build that credibility and confidence, turning hesitant maybes into enthusiastic yeses. The truth is, when your website and reviews are doing their job correctly, every click, every visit, every inquiry becomes an opportunity to grow your enrollment without you having to chase every lead manually. When you combine these 3 steps, targeted paid ads, giving parents options when they communicate, and optimizing your websites and review system, you're not just marketing, you're creating a system that consistently attracts, engages, and converts parents. This is how we've helped hundreds of kids' activity centers go from unpredictable, inconsistent enrollments to full, predictable preschool programs year-round. Better yet, they can start raising prices. Think of this video as showing you the why parents aren't enrolling, why the old ways don't work, and why these 3 steps matter so much. If you want to see how to actually set up Facebook and Google ads, optimize your website to convert parents, and manage your online reputation, download our ultimate guide to gymnastics clubs using the link below in the description. It's completely free and it walks you step by step through the process so you can start filling your preschool classes again without guessing, without hoping, and really without leaving enrollments to chance. This is your time. This is the moment. Click on the link below, get the ultimate guide, and let's make a difference to your business.